Introduction to a new era of adventure. Imagine a world where your desire for a grand adventure meets the simplicity of a bicycle. Stop imagining, because the future of eco-friendly, minimalist travel is here. Look at this incredible machine. It's not just a bicycle, it's not just a camper. It's the ingenious fusion of both, presenting a brand new category in recreational vehicles, the e-bike camper or bicycle caravan. For too long, the open road has been dominated by massive RVs and gas-guzzling trucks, but now, a quiet revolution is unfolding, powered by electric assistant pure wanderlust. This particular model, a fantastic example of a modern e-bike camper, perfectly captures the spirit of freedom, sustainability, and self-sufficiency. It's a literal tiny home on wheels, designed not for the highway, but for the scenic, backroads, and bike paths that traditional RVs can never touch. It offers a cozy, secure shelter for the ultimate slow travel experience, letting you truly immerse yourself in the journey. Detailed look at the design and aesthetics. Let's begin with a closer inspection of its stunning design. The camper unit itself is a beautifully proportioned, teardrop-style caravan, a classic and aerodynamic shape that minimizes drag while towing. The exterior is a smooth, light-colored, possibly fiberglass or composite shell, built for durability and lightweight efficiency. This lightweight construction is paramount, as the entire system is designed to be towed by a single electric bicycle. Notice the thoughtful details. A generously sized, slightly tinted window allows natural light in while maintaining privacy. The small access door is cleverly integrated, suggesting a surprising amount of internal space. On the roof, we see a simple yet practical wooden rack, perfect for securing extra gear, perhaps a solar panel, or even a small kayak. The entire camper sits low on a custom chassis, which is crucial for stability, featuring robust, spoke-less rear wheels that are smaller than the main bicycle wheel, again maximizing stability and load-bearing capability. The aesthetic is a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern engineering, an elegant shell riding on a tough, black cargo bike platform. The powerhouse. The e-bike platform. Now, shift your attention to the front, the power source. This is not your average bicycle, it's a purpose-built electric cargo bike, essentially a long-tail or cargo-style frame that has been adapted to integrate the camper trailer. The bicycle itself is sleek, with a matte black finish, giving it a rugged, contemporary look. It features large, all-terrain tires, indicating its readiness to handle not just paved roads but also gravel paths and gentle off-road terrain, as evidenced by the dusty track it's currently parked on. Crucially, the down tube of the bike holds a powerful battery pack, confirming its electric nature. This e-assist is the game changer. It transforms what would be an exhausting physical feat into an achievable, enjoyable journey. The mid-drive or hub-drive motor system, working in conjunction with the rider's pedaling, provides the necessary torque to pull the weight of the camper and gear uphill and against headwinds, opening up possibilities for longer tours and more challenging landscapes. The synergy between the bike and the camper is what defines this concept. You get the camping comfort without sacrificing the agility and eco-conscious nature of cycling. Towing and stability. Engineering the ride. Let's talk about the engineering marvel of the tow system. Towing a trailer, especially one this size, requires careful design. The link between the bike and the camper is a robust coupling system, mounted to a long, low frame. Because the camper is not a traditional two-wheeled trailer, but rather a semi-integrated unit on the long cargo bike platform, the stability is inherently greater than a typical hitch setup. The two smaller wheels at the back of the camper, along with the length of the platform, distribute the weight effectively and prevent the dreaded trailer sway. This lower center of gravity is key. It means that the rider maintains control, even when traversing uneven ground or taking corners. The dual rear wheels likely employ a suspension system, perhaps simple elastomers or springs, to absorb shocks and protect both the structure of the camper and the sleeping occupant from road vibrations. This attention to towing dynamics is what makes this a viable touring option, not just a novelty. It means you can travel dozens, or even 100 miles in a day, without feeling completely spent. Interior features and the concept of micro-living. What about the inside? While we can't look inside, the teardrop shape and the dimensions suggest a surprisingly efficient use of space, a masterclass in micro-living. Most models of this type, such as those from companies specializing in bicycle campers, feature a space that cleverly converts. Typically, the interior includes bench seating or a dinette that transforms easily into a comfortable sleeping platform for one, or sometimes two, people. Imagine setting up camp in under 5 minutes, simply leveling the unit, opening the rear hatch or side door, and transforming the seating. There is often integrated storage underneath the seating or a small cabinet for personal belongings and essential gear. While it doesn't have a full kitchen or bathroom, it provides the four most crucial elements of outdoor travel: a dry, secure, and warm place to sleep, a dark space to rest, shelter from the elements, and a place to sit and dine. This is minimalist camping elevated, trading high luxury for high freedom. Utility and essential accessories. Moving beyond the structure, consider the utility features that make a trip possible. Given its electric nature, power management is a core feature. Many high-end e-bike campers integrate solar panels, often flexible ones mounted on the roof rack, to continuously trickle charge the main battery and power internal accessories. These accessories might include LED interior lighting, a small fan or ventilation system, which is essential for airflow and preventing condensation, and USB charging ports for phones, cameras, and other electronics. The front cargo door or hatch on the side likely hides an exterior storage compartment for tools, a small cooking stove, and perhaps a water storage tank or jerry can. Some designs even include a very basic external galley or slide-out kitchen area so you can cook outdoors without taking up precious internal space. The focus here is on self-sufficiency, carrying everything you need to be comfortable for multiple days off the grid, relying only on your legs and the e-assist. Advantages over traditional camping and RVs. Why choose an e-bike camper over a traditional tent or a huge RV? The advantages are compelling and deeply aligned with modern travel trends. Compared to tent camping, the hard-shell camper offers superior security and weather protection. No more damp tents, no more wrestling with poles in the rain. It provides instant shelter and a comfortable, elevated bed. Compared to a massive RV, the difference is night and day. This e-bike camper has zero emissions when running on human power, and minimal emissions when charging its battery via renewable sources. It grants you access to places an RV can only dream of: bike trails, remote Forest Service roads, and quiet, small town parks. The cost of ownership is dramatically lower, eliminating fuel costs, massive insurance premiums, and expensive maintenance. Most importantly, it fosters a deeper connection to the environment and your surroundings, promoting a slower, more mindful pace of travel. It's an adventure that keeps you present, active, and fully engaged. The culture and community of e-bike camping. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. E-bike camping is giving rise to a vibrant, global community of adventurers. People who adopt this mode of travel are often minimalist in spirit, environmentally conscious, and deeply connected to physical fitness and the outdoors. They share a passion for exploring the world at a human